This conference will now be recorded.
So from the today onwards, we are starting that advanced Selenium. First, advanced Selenium. Before start writing the script in advanced Selenium, so first let us know how to write script in advanced Selenium. So before write script in advanced Selenium, we need Java framework. Observe guys, it is not automation framework, it is Java framework. Today onwards, let's write advanced Selenium concepts. But in real time, in the live application, to write script for any application, we should prepare the code by using Java framework. Even basic Selenium, there is no Java framework. Up to today, executing our code number of means we prepared number of test cases, even executed successfully, right? But in advanced Selenium, we have to prepare script by using any one of the Java framework. So what are the frameworks are there in the market? TestNG, JUnit, and Fitness. Like that, not only three, more number of Java frameworks are there. So we can use any one of the framework to write the code in WebDriver. Our main intention is to write the code in WebDriver. To write the code, we can use any one of the Java framework. So why we have to use Java framework in WebDriver? Fine. Sorry guys, the last few seconds, it's my audio is disconnected. Okay. See guys, today onwards, to write advanced Selenium, we can use any one of the Java framework. So what are the Java frameworks are there? TestNG, JUnit, Fitness. But in our class, we can discuss TestNG. So what is TestNG framework? Let us know. TestNG framework. So guys, in advanced Selenium, we have to implement the code by using any one of the framework. So like TestNG, JUnit, Fitness, like that, more number of frameworks are there. So today we are discussing about TestNG. So because of when compared to all TestNG, TestNG most powerful and advanced than TestNG. That's what we are using TestNG framework. TestNG framework. It is a Java framework and it is a unit testing framework. Java framework, unit testing framework. Guys, I hope you hear the word automation framework also, right? Automation framework different, Java framework different. Automation framework to write script for automation testing. Java framework while writing to perform advanced operations. Okay, Automation frameworks also we can discuss in our class. The last end of the batch we can discuss. Just now we are starting the Java framework. TestNG framework. What is TestNG? It is a Java framework and a unit testing framework. Remember unit testing? It is used for unit testing. Meaning unit testing meaning to check each and every functionality. We can use to check each and every functionality. We can use unit testing. I hope you remember which is comes into white box testing. So unit testing will be performed by programmer. Unit testing will be performed by programmer. So once again, TestNG framework. The first, it is a Java framework, and it is a unit testing framework. NG stands for NG stands for next generation. NG stands for next generation. NG stands for next generation, and it is inspired from TestNG, inspired from JUnit, and TestNG most powerful TestNG most powerful and advanced than JUnit. Guys, this is just for what is TestNG. TestNG is a Java framework. More number of Java frameworks are there in the market, but more advanced and most powerful TestNG. That's what we are using TestNG in our project. And it is a unit testing framework. Remember, in manual testing, we discussed about unit testing. While performing white box testing, the unit testing, while performing white box testing, unit testing will be performed by programmer. Unit testing will be performed by programmer. So that unit testing, to perform the unit testing, we can use TestNG framework. The next one, NG stands for next generation. So TestNG inspired from JUnit, but TestNG is most powerful and advanced than TestNG is most powerful and advanced than JUnit. Are you clear my point? So now let us know. I hope you understood what is TestNG. Let us know features of TestNG. Features of TestNG. So what is TestNG? It is a Java framework, unit testing framework, and NG stands for next generation. TestNG inspired from JUnit, and TestNG most powerful and advanced than JUnit. Clear your point? Okay, what is features of TestNG? The first features, support for annotations. What is annotations? This is very important in TestNG. I will show how to use annotation. Annotations look like a comments, but by using annotations, script prepare as test case format. Support for annotations, and by using annotations, script prepare as test case format. And the second one, guys, I hope you understood. Once again, the first point, it is support for annotations. I will show, just theoretically try to understand. So annotations look like a comments wise, and by using annotations, test case we can, like script we can prepare as well as test case format. Test case format and script also, script easy to design and easy to understand. Script easy to design and easy to understand. Next, by using TestNG we can generate, or it support or it's generate emailable reports, emailable reports, comma HTML reports, comma XML reports, and generate reports and logs. Generate reports and logs. So it's generate emailable reports, HTML reports, XML reports. Guys, up to today, while executing script, just a script executed successfully and output printed in the console. Am I right? Just output print in the console. But there is no that much clear report. There is no that much of clear log. That much of clear log for client. Just printing whether is it output print or not, either yes or no, either pass or fail. But by using TestNG, what are the cases we executed? That case, emailable report we can generate. That case, HTML report we can generate. That case, XML report also we can generate. And TestNG will generate reports and logs. TestNG will generate reports and logs. Next, its support for parameters. Guys, its support for parameters means, remember, like its support for parameters means passing parameter. So like while passing parameter means nothing but yesterday means last class, while discussing some of the concepts, method overloading, we pass some of the parameters. Remember, same like that, we can pass parameters by using TestNG framework. It support parameters, and as well as it support data driven testing. What is data driven testing? Data driven testing means same task, same operation, checking by multiple sets of test data. Same task, same operation, checking by multiple sets of test data. Normally, as a testing engineer, we have to test positive and negative testing. Positive and negative testing. But up to today, in our class, in our script, we performed only positive testing, right? There is no negative testing. But by using data driven testing, at a time we can pass multiple inputs. At a time we can pass multiple inputs. Nothing but called as data driven testing. So data driven testing means nothing but same operation, same task, checking by multiple sets of test data. multiple sets of test data, which is called as data-driven testing. By using TestNG, it support for data-driven testing. Are you getting my point, guys? It support for data-driven testing. So once again, the first it support TestNG support for annotations. By using annotations, script easy to understand and easy to design, and script we can prepare as well as test case format. And the script and it's generate emailable report, HTML report, XML report. Next is generate reports and logs, and it support for parameters, means runtime we can pass parameter, and it support data-driven testing. Data-driven testing. Next, it support for advanced advanced execution methodology. It support for advanced execution methodology. Advanced execution methodology means while executing some of the lines we can skip, only some of the lines we can execute, some of the lines number of times we can execute, like that more operations we can perform by using the strategy. So it support advanced execution methodology, and as well as it's connecting with other tools. It's connecting with other tools. It's connecting with other tools like Maven, in future Jenkins. Like that, it will be connecting with, and like that, it will be connecting with number of tools also. This is features of TestNG. Guys, I hope you understood. First, what is TestNG? TestNG is a Java framework. It is used for unit testing, and NG stands for, in TestNG, NG stands for next generation. TestNG inspired from JUnit, but it is most powerful and advanced than JUnit. Features: support annotations. I will show annotations, but try to understand. It support annotations. By using annotations, script we can prepare as well as same test case format. And by using annotations, script easy to design and easy to understand. It generate emailable reports, HTML reports, and XML reports, and it generate reports and logs, and it support for parameters. So parameters means runtime we can pass parameters, and it support data-driven testing. Next, it support advanced execution methodology. Next, it's connecting with other tools like Maven, Jenkins, and Ant, etc. Clear my point? Next one. Let us know first. Let us know how to configure TestNG plugin. How to configure TestNG plugin. So TestNG is just a plugin. The plugin we have to configure with our Eclipse. Then in our Eclipse, along with the WebDriver programs, we can implement with WebDriver program with TestNG. So let us know first how to configure with TestNG plugin. Very simple. Open our Eclipse. Okay. Then go to help menu. Here, install new software. Are you able to see? So once again, now we are discussing about how to configure TestNG plugin with Eclipse. then only we can write the program in Eclipse along with TestNG and WebDriver. So how to configure TestNG plugin with Eclipse, let us know. Go to help menu, install new software. Go to help menu, install new software. Work with here. Go to Google, search for download TestNG plugin for Eclipse. Just in the Google search for download TestNG plugin for Eclipse. Click on first link. It will navigate to next page. In this page, copy installation URL. Copy. Yeah, sorry guys. Sorry. Copy installation URL. That whatever the URL you copied, that one we have to paste at work with location. We have to paste at work with location. Then go to add. Here automatically location will become, and here name. Give name for anyone, anything. For example, testing. For example, testing name I am giving. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Then are able to see guys TestNG checkbox here. Just select the TestNG checkbox. Select TestNG checkbox. Then click on next. Select TestNG checkbox and click on next. Click on next. It's installing guys. It's configure TestNG. So TestNG plugin I am configure with Eclipse. It's configure guys. It will take few seconds of time. Okay, then click on next. Then click on next and finish. Already install guys, that's what finish is not focused, but it will be focused while you are installing in your system. Then it will ask for restart your system. Just if you sorry, restart Eclipse. Just if you click on yes, then Eclipse will be restart. Are you clear my point? Then Eclipse will be restart. Just click on finish. Click on finish. Once again guys, just open the Google here, search for download TestNG plugin for Eclipse and click on the first link and copy that URL. Copy that URL. That URL we have to paste at Eclipse help install new software. Install new software. So paste at work with location. Go to add. Go to add. Then enter any one of the name. Click on the OK. Then select the TestNG checkbox. Click on finish. And within 3 to 4 steps, installation will be complete. After installations, it will ask for restart Eclipse. Just click on yes. Then Eclipse will be restart. After, how to know whether successfully configured or not? To check whether successfully TestNG configured or not, go to help menu or go to window menu. Are able to see guys preferences in the last menu? Preferences, general, appearance. Do one thing. Here we can check or else do one thing. Guys, do one thing. Window directly can go to show view, other, show view, other. Here you can open the Java folder. Are able to see guys TestNG? So that means test